Well, from time to time, things go wrong. And I guess when things go wrong, you find out whether what you've bought was the right thing to buy or the wrong thing to buy.
Off you go, take us far and wide, through the mountains by the seaside. Our home on wheels where dreams collide. With you go, we'll never need to hide.
Now, before we even started the van, we did a lot of YouTube to find out, okay, what are people using? What do they recommend? What do they not recommend? And from all of that, we decided to go the Victron route. And if you've looked at Victron, it's not the cheapest. Probably it's the most expensive. But they all come with a supposed 5-year warranty. And you hear good things. You don't hear much in the way of bad things about Victron. So that's the way we went. We did replace the MPPT controller with the Victron one. And so far, so good. But as good as Victron is, we had one that failed. And being your typical stupid customer, I didn't have a receipt. And this was 2 years after we bought it. And I'm thinking, oh, am I really going to be able to get this fixed if there is indeed a problem? But I think I was vindicated, because I contacted a company, and I don't think it was the company we bought it from, to say, look, we've got this problem, what can you recommend? And they said, get the serial number, that's what we need first. So fine, okay, got the serial number, unplugged it from where it was, got the serial number, and they came back and said, yes, it's still in warranty. And as I say, I don't think I bought it from them. But they were able to find out from some form of central database that, yes, it's still in warranty. Not only that, they were happy to come and pick it up from Portsmouth, which was probably an hour away, because they were in our town often. And they said, just leave it out the front door, and we've got a driveway so nobody sees it. Leave it out the front door, we'll pick it up and we'll get it tested. So they got it tested, and they emailed back. They sent it off to Victron, and Victron confirmed that there was a fault with the unit. And I'm thinking, yeah, but where do I stand? I haven't got a receipt. But that didn't seem to matter. They said there's a fault and it needs to be replaced. And lo and behold, it arrived yesterday, a brand new one. Clearly I haven't paid to have it replaced. Didn't even have to pay for the postage, and they delivered it in one of their own vans. So a shout out to Victron, that their stuff is good, even when it goes wrong, it's good. And a shout out to ECOBAT down in Portsmouth. They were brilliant. Not a problem. There wasn't the attitude of, oh God, here's someone else who's got something wrong. They were happy and eager to help. So yeah, shout out to both of these, because we often hear about the bad stuff, and I think sometimes it's good to hear about the good stuff as well. So I've received it, so I've got to put it back in. So I'll do a quick video of putting it back in. Oh, and the ball is a fireball, because if something does catch fire, that should explode and put it out, which is quite important because we sleep above this. So, here we go. Plugged in. Into here. Into there. And then we just need to test to make sure that everything is working. If we go there, we can see everything is sort of tickety-boo and it's charging. So, everything back to normal. Thank you, Victron. Thank you, ECOBAT. Thanks for watching.